Alright, so the first thing is
you pull on it and then you gotta push it down a little bit.
Okay.
There you go.
There's your master switch. Right now it's in the off position. This would be on. So it's off right now. Alright, and then you know, there's the parking brake release. Turn the truck on. You need to, there's a switch over here for the pump. You hit the pump, and then you also need to hold this lever right here on the far left, or push it down. And that's going to be the part of the rear adjust. There's 4 levers. It's the one on the far left. You push it down, and you're going to basically be pushing it down as you're coming off the trailer, and that's going to help keep the back end of the stair unit up. And you have to kind of push it, otherwise it'll begin to lose the pressure. So you need to hold it, and also you got to have this wood for unloading it. It's too low just to come down straight off the trailer.